If you're seeing Epic Games error code SUBV04, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through 2 simple fixes that can help get your game launching again. We'll start with verifying the game files in the Epic Games launcher, and then, if the issue still shows up, we'll run a Windows memory scan to check for any system-level problems that could be causing corrupted data. Make sure to watch all the way through, because the second fix is especially important if your PC has unstable memory settings. And if this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more quick PC fixes. Let's get into it. First, open the Epic Games launcher and maximize the window so you can clearly see everything. Then click on the Library tab. In your game library, find the game that is showing the SUBV04 error. Once you locate it, look directly below the game tile and click the 3 horizontal dots. This opens the options menu for that specific game. From the pop-up menu, click Manage. On the Manage screen, look for the option called Verify Files. This is the step that tells Epic Games to check your installed game files for anything missing, damaged, or out of sync. Now click the blue Verify button. The launcher will begin scanning the game files, and depending on the size of the game, this can take a little while. Let the process reach 100% without closing the launcher or interrupting it. If Epic finds corrupted files, it will automatically replace them with the correct version. This is one of the most effective fixes for update-related or hash mismatch issues like SUBV04, because it forces the launcher to recheck the local installation and clean up any broken data layers. Once the verification finishes, try launching the game again and see if the error is gone. If it still appears, the next step is to check your system memory. Sometimes, this type of error can be caused not just by the game files, but by unstable RAM behavior on your PC. To do that, press the Windows key on your keyboard, type Windows Memory Diagnostic, and press Enter. When the tool opens, choose Restart Now and check for problems. Your computer will reboot immediately and start a blue automated memory scanning screen. Let the scan run all the way through. Don't turn off your PC, don't cancel the test, and let Windows finish checking for memory problems. When the test is complete, your computer will boot back into Windows normally and may show you a report about the results. If errors are detected, that can point to unstable memory settings, and you may need to go into your motherboard BIOS and disable overclocks like XMP or Expo to keep your RAM running more reliably. After that, try the game again in Epic Games Launcher. In many cases, just verifying the files and checking memory is enough to fix SUBV04 and get everything working normally again. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.